How to change font size on Android is a straightforward process that can be accomplished in a few simple steps. To begin, go to your device's settings menu, which can be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you are in the settings menu, look for the display or accessibility option, as the location may vary depending on the device model and operating system version. Selecting the display option will bring up a range of settings, including the font size. In the display settings, you will see a font size option, which allows you to adjust the size of the text on your device. You can choose from a range of sizes, from small to huge, depending on your personal preference. Some devices may also offer additional font size options, such as extra large or extra small. To change the font size, simply select the desired size from the options provided. You can preview the font size as you make changes, allowing you to see how the text will look before saving your selection. In addition to changing the font size, you can also adjust the display size, which affects the size of all elements on the screen, including icons and images. This can be useful if you want to make everything on your device larger or smaller. It is also worth noting that some devices may offer additional accessibility features, such as high contrast mode or large text mode, which can be useful for users with visual impairments. These features can be found in the accessibility settings menu. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the font size on your Android device to suit your needs. Whether you prefer larger text or smaller text, the option is available to you. Remember to experiment with different font sizes to find the one that works best for you.